Coding. Dead? According to Mark Zuckerberg, AI is set to take over engineering, potentially replacing coders entirely. He predicts that AI will soon write, debug, and optimize code better than humans. But what does this mean for the future of programming? Are developers doomed, or is this just the beginning of a new era? Let's dive in and find out. Mark Zuckerberg recently shared some bold thoughts about the future of AI, and it's definitely stirring up conversations in the tech world. On the Joe Rogan Experience, Zuckerberg made a fascinating prediction. By 2025, AI could take over many mid-level engineering roles. This includes tasks like writing code and debugging, things that human developers have been doing for decades. Zuckerberg envisions a future where AI becomes increasingly proficient at handling technical tasks traditionally done by coders. The technology driving this transformation involves large language models, LLMs, sophisticated AI systems trained on vast amounts of data. These models can understand and generate human-like text, making them suitable for coding tasks that require comprehension of complex programming languages and frameworks. With its ability to learn and adapt, AI might soon write clean, optimized code faster and more efficiently than any human could. But here's the big question. If AI is doing all the work, what happens to developers? Will there even be a need for traditional software engineers? As Zuckerberg sees it, the nature of software development will change dramatically. AI will handle the repetitive and mechanical aspects of programming, such as generating basic code and fixing bugs. This leaves developers with more room to focus on higher-level tasks like creative problem-solving and designing innovative software solutions. While this may sound promising for productivity, it also raises concerns about job security for mid-level developers who primarily handle those tasks. In Zuckerberg's view, coding jobs won't disappear entirely, but they will certainly evolve. The need for human input will shift more towards areas where critical thinking, creativity, and strategic decision-making are required. This prediction isn't new. Someone else, a powerful figure in tech, has made the same claim about coding's future. Who is it? You'll want to stick around to find out. Zuckerberg isn't the only tech giant with bold predictions about AI's impact on software development. At the World Government Summit, NVIDIA's CEO Jensen Huang made similar claims about the future of coding. Huang suggested that the rapid advancements in AI could soon render traditional coding skills obsolete. According to Huang, AI is progressing so quickly that learning to code might no longer be necessary. What if you don't need to know how to write a single line of code to build software? Instead, all you'd have to do is tell an AI what you want your application to do, and it would handle all the coding for you. This might sound like science fiction, but with AI tools like GPT-3 and Microsoft's Copilot already demonstrating the ability to generate and debug code, the technology is closer to reality than ever. Huang sees this as a revolution that could democratize software development. People who don't have technical skills could potentially create apps or software solutions just by describing their ideas to an AI. It could open up huge possibilities for non-developers to participate in the software creation process. However, this shift also comes with its own challenges. If AI makes it easy for anyone to build software, it could disrupt the job market for developers, especially those who specialize in writing basic code or handling repetitive tasks. While AI can handle these parts, it still lacks the creative problem-solving and strategic thinking that human developers bring to the table. So while coding as we know it may change, the need for human involvement in the development process will continue. AI is transforming the tech world at breakneck speed. But is it enough to reshape the way we work? Now, it's no secret that AI tools like ChatGPT, Google Gemini, and Microsoft Copilot are already transforming the software development world. These platforms can generate code, fix bugs, and even suggest better solutions, all within seconds. The pace at which AI is improving is astonishing, and these tools are becoming essential in streamlining the development process. Mark Zuckerberg's prediction that AI will soon take over mid-level engineering tasks like coding and debugging looks more feasible with each passing day. What's even more remarkable is the potential shift in how we interact with code. Rather than needing to understand complex programming languages, AI may allow users to simply describe what they need, and it will generate the code for them. Imagine telling AI, "Build me a website for my online store," and in moments you have a fully functional site. This revolutionizes not only the speed of development, but also the accessibility of technology. With AI handling the bulk of repetitive tasks, productivity could skyrocket. Google CEO Sundar Pichai revealed that over 25% of the new code at Google is generated by AI, and this is only the beginning. As AI continues to refine its abilities, it could eventually write entire applications, making it easier than ever for anyone, regardless of their technical background, to create software. This shift could open the doors for people without coding knowledge to bring their ideas to life and innovate in ways that were once reserved for programmers. This shift also means that coding, as we know it, could become more about collaboration with AI. Instead of manually writing out every line of code, developers will be able to focus on higher-level tasks like conceptualizing the functionality and design of a product, while AI handles the grunt work. This could allow businesses to innovate faster, get products to market more quickly, and reduce costs associated with human labor. Ultimately, the rise of AI tools in tech is democratizing the ability to create. It's making software development more efficient and accessible, allowing anyone with an idea to bring it to life with minimal technical skills. As these AI systems become more sophisticated, the need for traditional coding could decline, reshaping how the tech industry operates. With all this change coming, what will be the next big role for human developers in this AI-driven world? So what does all this mean for coders? Should you be worried that AI is coming for your job? Well, according to both Mark Zuckerberg and Jensen Huang, the future of coding isn't about being replaced. It's about adapting. While AI may take over repetitive tasks, like debugging and writing basic code, there's still a significant demand for skills that AI can't replicate: problem solving, creativity, and strategic thinking. The key to thriving in this evolving landscape is adaptability. Coders who are willing to embrace AI tools and use them to their advantage will be in high demand. The focus will shift from writing every line of code to taking on higher-level tasks that require human creativity and problem-solving. Developers will be tasked with designing systems, solving complex problems, and applying the right AI solutions to business challenges. Essentially, coders will move from being the hands-on builders to the masterminds behind the scenes. Zuckerberg and Huang both emphasize that the future of tech will rely on humans and AI working together. Coders won't be extinct. Rather, their roles will shift towards a more strategic position. By learning how to work with AI, coders can amplify their own productivity and focus on tasks that truly require human insight. Those who embrace this transition will have the edge in an increasingly automated world. As AI continues to improve, those in the coding field will likely become key decision makers, ensuring that AI tools are used effectively. Their role will involve understanding AI's capabilities and limitations and making decisions that align with both technical and business objectives. Coders won't just be following instructions, they'll be orchestrating the entire process, guiding AI to do the heavy lifting while they focus on the creative and strategic aspects of development. As AI continues to evolve, the role of coders is changing. Instead of focusing on writing lines of code, future roles will emphasize guiding AI, managing projects, and ensuring responsible AI use. Emerging roles like AI trainer are becoming increasingly important. These professionals will teach AI systems to understand human needs and improve their effectiveness. It's not just about coding, it's about shaping how AI interacts with the world. Another role on the rise is tech strategist. These experts will bridge the gap between AI tools and business goals. They'll ensure that AI is applied in ways that benefit both the company and its customers, aligning AI with broader company objectives. Coders who focus on these roles will stay ahead in the rapidly changing tech world. By combining technical expertise with strategic thinking, creativity, and business knowledge, they'll be in high demand. While traditional coding skills will remain relevant, the emphasis will shift to problem-solving, communication, and ethical considerations. The future of tech is evolving, and those who adapt will lead the way. So, is coding really dead? Not quite, but it's certainly evolving. As AI continues to take on more tasks, the future will be shaped by those who can adapt and leverage this technology in new ways. What do you think? Will AI completely change the tech landscape, or is there more to the story? Drop your comments below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the fast-paced world of technology. Stay curious and keep exploring.